Welcome back. Well, let's straight away dive into commodities and figure out what the headlines are there. Manisha is here with the latest action. Manisha, over to you.
Thank you for that, Surbhi. Well, I'm looking at agriculture commodities. Well, everything in commodities actually is surging, whether it's about metals, precious metals, energy, and agriculture as a space. There are 2 or 3 themes which really seem to be working right now. One is the decline in US dollar index, which is back again below 101. The second is the US Fed meeting and this whole uncertainty about whether we are going to see a 25 basis or a 50 basis point rate cut. And that really seems to be keeping long positions intact for many of these commodities. The third thing, especially when you talk about the agriculture commodity, is the weather concerns, the higher freight charges after all that's happening in Red Sea. And that is keeping many of these commodity prices higher. I want to talk about Arabica coffee because that is trading at a 13-year highs. Brazil, which is the largest producer, has adverse weather conditions. And the Robusta prices also, by the way, seem to be increasing, and this is after the typhoon Yagi hitting Vietnam, which is again a major producer there. Well, after coffee comes cocoa, and here the prices are trading at a 2-week highs. The markets have seen the deficit continue for a 4th straight year in 2024. Also, there are supply concerns from West Africa, Ivory Coast, and that has been supportive. Talk about cotton, and while of course it's an industrial agriculture commodity, but we also have seen gains here to a 3-week highs. Well, the USDA has cut production for 2024-25 to 14.5 million bales. Also, the global output has been revised on the lower side. Consumption continues to be on the stronger side. It is a small crop this time around in US, Pakistan, and India, and that has been supportive. Rubber continues to be an outperformer within this pack. It's trading at a 2021 highs, and Typhoon Yagi has impacted production here as well. And we are looking at lower production, by the way, in various producing countries like Thailand, Malaysia, etc. Sunflower prices gained 6% in the overnight market. So as I said, everywhere that you look, you are looking at stronger gains continuing. I'll get the final chart on your screen. Then this is the month-on-month agri-commodity price data. And as you can see, there are no losers there. It's all gainers, from soybean to wheat, palm oil, rubber, coffee, everything up between 2 to 10% onto this one. And that really continues when it comes to rice and sugar kind of commodities as well. You have 2 to 5% of gains on that too.
All commodities up over the last 1 month, and a big surge in prices of coffee and cocoa. Will be very interesting to see how the margins of companies like Nestle, etc., perform going forward. But